Now, if you're like me, your knowledge of cars is embarrassing. That's why News 8 is putting you first with Auto Answers. Maureen joining us now outside with our panel of experts. Maureen.
Well, Adam, you and I should form a support group because I'm right there with you. But you know what? Universal Imports of Pittsford has been such a great help today. They have a crew here right now through 6:30 to answer all of your questions. 2878005. Need to prepare the car for a road trip this summer? What do you do if the check engine light comes on? Just call with your questions. They can help out. Joining me now is Jody from Universal Imports. Jody, we've gone through a lot of things in the last hour. Let's talk a little bit about filters. You've got two filters there. What are they?
They are the cabin air filters, and they filter the inside air that comes through the cabin of the car, kind of like the engine air filter, but it filters it for humans.
Do motorists put their hands on those filters, or is that something that you just wait for the mechanic to check when they're checking over
Probably
there?
best to wait for the mechanic because they're located in different spots by manufacturers.
So how do you know when a filter needs to be changed?
It should change it annually, depending on the conditions of the air.
Yeah. Would you know if there was a symptom that indicated that it needed to be changed?
Well, kind of like your furnace filter at home. If you ever had a clogged furnace filter, the fan starts humming pretty loud, so
Yeah.
you'll start hearing your blower motor inside the car.
All right. Great advice. Thank you, Jody, very much. Don't you love this car?
I do.
What kind of car is this?
It's a Mercedes E350.
Well, that I knew. And I don't know what 350 means, but I'd certainly drive this Mercedes. Adam, we are going to send it back to you. In the meantime, everybody, remember, 2878005. Call now. These are great folks from Universal Imports ready to answer all your questions.
All right. Thank you, Maureen. Now, Stacey Pension, I don't have a car that can actually get the top down, but I can put the windows down, and they were down today.
Sunroof.